Hey guys, welcome to day 15 of Vlogmas. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see what's in the boxes now. Like, honestly, I don't think anything surprises me anymore. Like, totally not even... I'm lowering the expectations, like way low, right? I hate to say that, but really, it's true. The one thing we can count on is that the Cotton Cuts is sending us a fat quarter, and it's a surprise. So let's open that one first. Jellybean's excited. Jellybean? Okay. I'm preparing. I'm doing. I have a live sewing for piecing it real tonight, and so I have everything ready because I literally have to make this video and then rush right over to the Zoom. So it's a little bit crazy right now. Okay, so here we go. There is my number 15 Jellybean baby. Okay, let me close this back up because he's going to want to eat the paper. No, don't eat the paper, baby. I know. Mommy's so mean. I'm horrible. I'll let you eat the paper later, okay, babe? Okay, so let's see what number 15 is. This is going to be like the quick and dirty version of Vlogmas here. Mistakes are proof you are trying. That's true. Ooh, I like the fabric today. What is that? Oh, it's just folding out. So that's what it looks like. I like that. I really do. I like those colors together. And all right, so let's see if there is a selvage here. Yes. Okay, so this is Harmony Farm by Sean Wallace for Riley Blake Designs. And this was a 2017 print as well. I wonder, does this... I don't know if that goes with yesterday or not. So, there we go. I love this one. I really like these colors and everything. Okay. So far, we're like batting 1,000 with the fat quarter. Okay, so now we're going to open the Stitch Supply Company. There he is. And we're opening number 15. And we have a window of squigglies. Okay, they're pretty. I can tell you that. I like the colors of them. I have no idea what this is. Hold on. Oh. Okay, I think that you would use these. So whenever you like make something handmade or whatever, normally we get the ones that are like leather or something like that, and these are acrylic. That one says handcrafted. Let me see. I can't put that up. Oh my goodness, I may have just screwed something up. I'm so sorry, guys. No, that's not going to be helpful. Okay, it says handcrafted. You're just going to take my word for that one. This one, I can't even read it. Okay, they're difficult to read, but I love that they come in these great colors. Oh, look, it looks really good in there. That one also says handcrafted. And then, and this one says handcrafted. So we have a blue, a pink, and a yellow. And then, this one says sewing supplies. And this one also says sewing supplies. Oh, on my shirt. There you go. Okay. Okay. Lovely. they are little tags. It's different. I love the colors. I love the colors, that's for sure. Those are definitely my colors. Okay, so that is Stitch Supply Company for today. And now I have Stitchy Box. I always do this. Okay, number 15. Pulling out number 15. Oh, geez. Jellybean, what are you doing, baby? You're making me nuts. Oh, there's 15. All right, can you get out of the box, please? No, don't let me put this back. Hold up. He's like, wait. I see one with a JB on it. There we go, day 15. And this is Stitchy Box. I'm not saying a word. Oh, Jellybean, stop it. He's trying to play with all the little squigglies. Because he was gone and then he came back and now the squigglies are everywhere. Okay. Jellybean, did mommy tell you that I love you today? Did I tell you? I do. Okay, so day 15 is woven ribbon. This statement ribbon could be used to back a pin cushion or added to a finish for some flair. And, okay, so here it is. It's Christmassy. It's very old-fashioned. And I'm sure there's plenty of other things you could do with it. If you really, you could probably put it like, did they say, they said a pin cushion. I don't know if I'd put it on a pin cushion. I might put it like as a finishing. I mean, you don't have a huge amount of it, but some kind of a finishing like on a pillow, like a toss pillow or something. That might be kind of cool. Okay. Let me put that back in here. And then I have a couple of pieces of mail that I got today. And I want to share that with you. Okay, JB is sitting on one. So let me open this one first. This one is from Crystal Cochran. And Crystal lives in New Jersey. And she's got this cute little envelope. She's got joy on it. And I love her stamp. Okay. That's very cute. All right, so let me pop it open. Boy, wow. It is closed, guys. I don't even know if I can get in there. Like, there is... Did you, like, glue it? I can't even get, like, a fingernail under there. Jellybean, can you help Mom? Can you help me get this? Holy cow. Okay. I'm one of those people, I don't like ripping stuff. Like, I want it to be pretty when I'm done so that I can, like, keep the whole thing. Like, I keep, you know, cards and stuff. When it's like that, it ends up messing the whole envelope up and stuff. But, hi, that's a cute little face you got right there. Yes, it is. Okay. Oh, wait, it's still stuck. Hold on. There's a corner. Okay. Oh, I got it. Oh, look how cute, you guys. You know, she made this. This is a handmade card. Isn't that nice? Ooh. And it says created by Crystal L. Cochran. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to hang this up. And it says, Merry Christmas to you and yours, Crystal L. Cochran. And she... Is this an Etsy shop? Well, she does sell things. it looks like she has her own like shop. It's not Etsy. Interwoven Creations by Crystal. And so there are all her details. You could probably hit pause and write that down if you want to. Okay, cool. Thank you so much, Crystal. I got a card and she made it. Yes, I am nuts. Okay, where's that other one? Jellybean is laying on it, so hold on. It's okay. It's okay, baby. Got a card from Barbara Bauer. And Barbara lives in Georgia. Okay. I just asked her, because I always call her Auntie Barb, because she sent things to the kids. Is that last year? I don't remember, but, and I started calling, sorry. So I started calling her Auntie Barb for the kids. And I think everybody really thought that, like, she was my aunt. It was really funny. And I asked her, I was like, do you not like when I call you that? And I saw like a snippet of her saying, you can call me Barb. And so, I didn't read the whole comment yet, Barb. So I will get to it though. Okay. So she has given us a card and there is a tree hanging off it. And I'm going to go and put that on our Christmas tree. And let's see. Okay. And she has a lovely personal letter. So I'm not going to read that. I will keep it for me. But I'm so enjoying this little tree. I'm definitely going to hang that. I might leave it right there for right now, actually. And then like just put it up on my back there so everybody can see it. So thank you, Barb. Thank you, Crystal. I appreciate it so much. And I will see you guys tomorrow for day 16. So please hurry back. Bye.